Welcome back to RV Road Report. If you're passionate about compact campers packed with serious punch, you're in for a treat. Today, we're checking out something that blends sleek style with rugged road performance. The Bilbo VW T5 Celex camper van motorhome. This isn't just a van. It's your adventure partner on 4x4 wheels, dressed in a vibrant black coat. With clever space management, top-tier utility features, and off-grid ready gear, this beast is made for explorers. So buckle up, folks. We're about to dive deep into every inch of this rolling retreat. Let's roll. Exterior, front view. Let's kick things off with the front view. Just look at that bold stance. That vibrant black paint shines under the light, giving it a sleek yet strong presence. Front and center, you'll spot the iconic VW badge nestled right between sharp headlamps and a rugged bumper. The van is standing tall in the official Bilbo showroom, exuding quality and class. The rugged body hints at off-road possibilities, thanks to its long frame and 4x4 wheels designed to handle diverse terrains. This isn't your average camper van. It's built to lead the way on any road trip. Top side view. Now, let's take a look from the top. Climbing above, you'll spot a well-thought-out arrangement that screams independence. We've got solar panels mounted up there to keep your batteries charged even in remote locations. Next to them, a compact roof-mounted air conditioning unit makes sure you're cool wherever you go. There's even a telescopic antenna for better signal reception on the move. Everything is sleek, efficient, and securely fastened to the rooftop. You're looking at pure freedom up here. Plug-free, worry-free, and road-ready. Backside view. Spinning around to the rear, this is where the rugged really shows. Mounted on the back door, you'll notice a full-size spare tire fix for easy access during those long hauls through rough terrain. Alongside that, check out the dual bicycle carrier, perfect for riders who want to explore trails once camp is set. Even with all this utility gear, the layout is neat, balanced, and secure. The Bilbo T5 Celex makes sure you never leave essentials behind. It's all about going the extra mile, literally. Side view. On to the side view, and this one's a beauty. We're looking at the driver's side with a retractable awning tent pulled out and ready for action. Imagine parking up in the wild and popping out this cozy shaded space for chilling with friends or cooking outside. It extends just enough to provide perfect shelter without taking too much space. Underneath the awning, the clean black body shines against the landscape, and those sturdy 4x4 wheels, they're just begging for an off-road escape. This side view really highlights versatility and vibe. Driving compartment. Step inside the driving compartment, where comfort meets control. The dash layout is clean, modern, and packed with features. The two supportive seats offer great posture for long journeys. Up front, we've got dual LED screens, one showing navigation infotainment, and the other giving you a crisp rear-view camera feed. Everything is within easy reach, steering-mounted controls, climate options, and smart storage. This cockpit makes you feel in charge, whether you're on a mountain pass or downtown street. Sitting and sleeping area. Moving just behind the cockpit. Welcome to your living quarters. This section transforms from a cozy sitting area into a fully functional bed at night. By day, you've got a smart L-shaped sofa with plush cushioning and storage underneath. By night, it slides and folds into a comfortable sleeping space for two. Large side windows bring in natural light, and blackout curtains offer privacy when needed. It's compact, cozy, and cleverly designed to give you the rest you need after a day on the road. Kitchen area. Let's talk about what keeps your belly happy. The kitchen, compact but capable. This kitchenette is nestled right beside the sitting/sleeping area. It includes a dual-burner gas stove, a small sink, and a mini fridge tucked below. Storage cabinets above and below offer room for utensils, ingredients, and essentials. A small fold-out countertop extension adds a little prep space. Whether it's morning coffee or a roadside dinner, this kitchen's got your back, and it's all done without sacrificing valuable space. Washroom. Now, on to one of the most underrated features, the compact washroom. Despite the limited space, Bilbo has engineered this well. Step inside and you'll find a space-efficient toilet, a foldable sink, and a pull-out showerhead, all neatly arranged in a waterproof compartment. There's even a small overhead cabinet for toiletries. This washroom proves that even in tight quarters, you can enjoy comfort and hygiene without compromise. It's a rare treat in vans this size. And that, friends, is the Bilbo VW T5 Celex camper van motorhome. Your rugged, road-ready companion in a sleek, vibrant black finish with a long body, 4x4 capability, solar setup, smart interiors, and serious style. It packs a whole lot in a compact frame. And here's the cherry on top. This beauty is priced at just $38,000. Affordable, adventurous, and absolutely awesome. Now it's your turn. Tell us what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and drop that feedback, because we're bringing more van life magic every single week.